Lovelies, join me on this analysis and we see why YouTube paid me double in the last 7 days after me taking up some challenge. This challenge, I know you can join it at any time, but I took it as a person. So YouTube ended up paying me double of the amount of money that it had paid me in the last 7 days. But these 7 days, they were just marvelous. We are going to learn into in this video what made YouTube pay me double. We are going to learn the best practices, the challenges that I faced, how did I solve them, and what are the anticipated thinking, what are the there are misconceptions of what people think about YouTube and AdSense revenue. But before that, did you know that 96.5% of YouTubers don't make enough money from ads to reach the US poverty line? If I talk about the US poverty line, I mean there's that money that every individual should have annually, as long as you're below 65 years, meaning that every person should be having US dollars 14,580 annually. For a family of four, it should be like approximately 30,000 per year. But when you go to see for them, for this one to be under the poverty line or to reach the US poverty line, you should be having at least this amount of money. But some creators with less than 100 subscribers are earning six figures annually by leveraging alternative income streams like sponsorship, membership, and product sales. What do you think is their secret? There's a secret behind this. But for me here, I'm not bringing you the statistics from sponsorship, from sales, from are they called what? Ads and other things. No, I'm bringing you the statistics that I've required or I've gotten in 7 days, which was doubled by YouTube by measuring from ads revenue. But before that, I would love to tell you that there are a lot of challenges that I met in these 7 days. When I talk about 7 days, I'm talking about October 14th to October 20th. October 14th, October 20th. There are a lot of challenges that I passed through. It wasn't rosy, and of which I know any other creator might be facing or going through that. So out of this, we are going to be learning. This is a disclaimer. Wherever you see any video on this channel, you know that they are for educational purposes. So expect our videos to be longer than you expected before. Sometime back, we used to have videos which are less than 8 and 10, but now videos would be much more bigger. So there are a lot of problems, but a few that are common for us, that with me and others, as I took up this challenge to make sure that YouTube pays me some amount of money that I have to double the last week. The last week, it gave me a good amount of money. We came here and analyzed it, but this time it doubled. What did I do? But before reaching what I did and seeing the analytics of this video, let's dive in and see the problems I faced. As usual, and I know you also face this problem, there are videos which some videos were not moving at all. The views were down. To tell you the truth. The second problem, as I always tell you, that in particular me, I have, and out there, I know other creators you might be having, social media entrepreneur, is time management and the time availability. I work almost 6 days, not almost, I work 6 days, and I work not less than 9 hours without putting the time for preparations, without putting the time for food, for traveling. So it goes like 12 hours. So the remaining hours are mine, meaning that for me to make money online and on YouTube in particular, I have to make the strategies. I have to make sure that I outgo and I would compete these challenges, which I think I did. How did I do them? You're going to be knowing how I did them as we march and continue in this video. But before I dive into analytics and the good deeds and what we did, the good things we did and the wrong things we did in this video, I really appreciate every person that is on the market, show that every person that comes back. But I encourage everybody that this is a disclaimer. Making money on YouTube, making money online is not just a rosy thing. It's not for you to bring a bucket and put money there. No, there is a process. You have to pass that process. If you find a video here, you have to follow it up. yourself, you have to make it work. So how do we make our own work? Here is what we do. In the last 7 days, we that was from October 14th, October 20th, we did tremendously good. I told you YouTube doubled our income, as you're going to be looking at it. And in your question, it should be expectant to know how much money did we really make on this. Here is what we got in the last 7 days. And in these 7 days, I'm going to be putting screenshots and even screen recording on the left side of our screen for you to know the truth, because some people are doubting Thomas's. So there are some people who think you cannot make money online unless you have billions of viewers. No, it isn't like that. These are the secrets that we came up to reveal to you, that if you know you have abandoned your channel because you thought you cannot make it, it's right now that you should step up and start. So in the last 7 days, we did 6 videos, we did 3 shots, and we did 1 post. What do you see there? Compared to the other 7 days, here the posting, the premiering, and even the uploads were fewer. This time we had 6 videos versus the last 7 days when we had 10 videos. How did it come about? There's a challenge we did. One of it was to make sure that we post 2 every day, but we skip 2-3 days. So there's a time we skipped 3 days without posting to really see exactly, can we make better than this, or what should we do? So in this, we increased the number of minutes in a video. That was 1. 2, best practices that we did on videos, even if they were few in number, we made sure that we use trending videos as according to YouTube. The third one, we made sure that we capitalized on what our audience wants to listen to. And how to get what your audience wants to listen to, you can private chat us for details. People did not just watch, people turned into us. Do you remember what we had in the last 7 days? The last video we brought here for analysis, we had 900 people who turned up. But in this time, 2.2k people turned into us. Can you imagine that? So what does that tell you? It is not about quality, about quantity. Sometimes it's about quality, and it is also about what does your audience need. So imagine the other one, we had 10 videos, we had enough shots, we had enough posts, but unfortunately we had only 900. But this time we had only 6, meaning it's like we posted one per day, and one day we didn't post. This time most people found us and we had 49 subscribers. Oh, we thank God for that. Welcome to this home, subscribers. You are in a right home, and we urge you, please keep coming here, keep giving us your thoughts. And also, I want you to follow this and make money online. So we had 49 new subscribers. In the last assessment, we had only 16 subscribers out of 900 people that turned into us. Now here we come. I want you to put the lessons in the comment section. If you can be following this video, please put the comments in this your lessons you get from this in the comment section. People did not turn into us only, but how did they find us anyway? This is a dream for every creator. If you're there, you need to know, how do people know you? How do we find you? Gone are the days when we used to beg people. I remember those days when I used to beg my friends, my workmates. Sometimes we used to find you're commenting, someone doesn't want to comment your comment. There are others who will threaten you, like, she did not greet me, they unsubscribe, they don't watch. Others will just click and go. But this time, how did people find us? You can see it on the screen. One, they found us by YouTube Home. YouTube Home, I love you so much, YouTube. Thanks for doing this. Thanks for making this feast for us. The second one was YouTube Search, and the third one was channel pages. If you go to YouTube Home, this is how you get YouTube Home. YouTube Home, if you open your YouTube, the first interface that comes, that is YouTube Home. Before you go to your channel, that is YouTube Home, and go and research and see exactly how do you find your videos on YouTube Home. For them to come to YouTube Home, it means YouTube has to recommend them. It means YouTube has to feel something about it. How do you make your videos? Now I want you to go ahead and think about this, even research about it. How can my videos be recommended by YouTube? If you go to see our analytics, our videos are being almost 99% is recommended by YouTube. So meaning that they will come on YouTube Home. And when they come on YouTube Home, whatever you're giving, if your product is mostly needed and wanted, people are going to click there and they will watch. YouTube search. How do people go to search? It means you have to make sure that you target key searchable words. Key searchable words are those words that really they are ranking high. People are looking for on YouTube. They might be highly searched today and tomorrow they are being searched on another thing. But your product, you have to make sure that your product is on top of the game. And we do this. How do you do this? You do this by using optimization tools. We said we cannot hide this from you guys. Gone are the days when people think being on social media is like a personal business. No, it is a personal business when you're looking for it, but there is no competition. So sharing with you, it means if you become rich, I'm rich, we are going, by the you're looking at a future millionaire, courtesy of YouTube, courtesy of online. Let's go on. I don't want to go that. So YouTube search. Whenever someone, we're going to be looking at which words were really searched most on YouTube. On this, the words that were searched most on YouTube is how to make money on YouTube. Then two was like how much can I earn on this and that. So those are how to make money online. Those are searchable words, highly searchable words. But you cannot put those words when you're not in that niche. You need to make sure that you check your niche and say, oh my God, what are the key searchable words in my niche? I recommend you use VIDQ. It has two sides of you to participate in it. You can use the free version, or you can use premium. Premium has its advantages and benefits, and also the free version, it has its own. So the moment you go there, you will know exactly where do you want to be. Let's go and see the third one, channel pages. Channel pages are one of the things that escalated our videos. Now, without going very far, what sold us most for people to turn into us? 2.2K. Why did the other time only 900 people come? By this time, 2.2K. People watched most. These are the 3 top videos that people watched most. And I want you, as you say, you will see some similarity in it. And as a creator, you always be keen and see and do analysis. You do monitoring and evaluation. You're like, where exactly, what do people need? So that one gives you a platform of what your audience is looking for. They watched most. YouTube paid me this much in 30 days. We'll be going there and see what exactly, how many viewers, how many views, how much, by the way, did this video get. Then the second one is I earned YouTube money from just 500 views. You can see the similarity on it. Then the third one is the $500 online business you can start today. So all in all, you can see that people are really looking for how to make money online. You might be there saying, this is a scam, she's looking for views, what she's giving us is not working. No, whatever you see Christine is doing, she is not the author. There is someone who did it. Whatever you're going to do, you are not the author. There's someone who did it. But are you giving authentic? Are you giving the right information? If you're not giving right information, you'll be like motivation speakers who once said, if you read the book of Poor Dad and Rich Dad, you read this, set yourself free by this and that, you'll be rich. When you find them at the roadside selling them for those books, they are selling those books for 5 years now. Damn. Why are they not reading the books for them to be rich? So this is not what we are. We are making the money. So the third one, what I want you to do, I want you to see that people did not just watch, they reached out. You know it all, including me. Most people love to watch and they just swipe and go. Most people, it is within people. It will take someone either 2 to 3 minutes to 3 times to subscribe to your channel. It will take someone 5 times to watch your videos to feel, I love this lady, I love this guy, and click there and like or comment. It will take someone to do something and share. So one of the things I recommend, and I really right now, I want to give a shout out to any person that always engages our post, that always, thank you very much. I love you so much. If at all, we are going to put something, a prize for you. You guys, someone to go down and write on your post, you should hail those people so high. They liked 123 times. Remember, they are 2.2K. So where did others go? That's why I told you the majority, some of them were new. So these people, it will take them time. It means now if we have a struggle to keep these people coming, then they like, they comment. They did not only like, they also had 33 shares, they had 91 comments. So kudos to us and kudos to everybody that is there. You guys, I don't know whether I should show you. In the last 7 days, we doubled the money. Ha! I should say this one. Should I touch it? I think you can see it, but I needed to touch it. We doubled the money, double. If I tell you, it was double, and it made our monthly earning for this to be very high. So if I tell you that YouTube doubled our money, there are things that we did for YouTube to double our money. Did we do them intentionally? There are some things we didn't do intentionally, like people turning into us. Even we knew that YouTube is going to escalate this. No, we didn't know. Or what we did, we followed our plan, we followed our challenge. No, let's not post 2 posts every day for this week to make 14 posts or 10 posts. Let's post 2 and we leave 3 days and we see how it will go. Then we access what we are going to do. The days we concentrated more, those days that we are not doing any work, as in filming and uploading, we were doing 2 things, of which these 2 things we are optimizing our videos, and we are changing the necessary things. The first thing we're changing was the thumbnail. The second thing was the keywords. The third was the title. If you look at it, our titles, these ones have been changed 2 to 3 times. So that is very good. But we are not going to go without rewarding the people who always watch up to this end. This is so new. So we are going to play one game. If you pass it as usual, you're going to get your credit. Credit of worth 10,000 Ugandan shillings or 10 dirham. Let's play the game. YouTube paid me this much. Which video got most new subscribers last week? YouTube paid me this much in 3 days. 2, make $3,000 monthly online without leaving home. 3, I earned YouTube money from just 500 views. Which of these gave us? What do you think? What do you think? Which of these ones gave us more subscribers? Please write it in the comment section. And remember, this video, one of the video gave us 22 damn subscribers. That's the video that we are asking about. Only one video gave us, in 7 days, gave us 22 subscribers. So go to the comment section, guess the work, and you're going to get what you want. So you guys, I know you have learned a lot of lessons. One of the lessons is to make sure that you come every day, but it's not a must you come by posting, but you come by analyzing, you come by changing strategies, and you come by planning and optimization, and see what is trending. What do the public want? Am I giving them what they want? And you guys, let me tell you, if you're doing video for 2 to 3 days, by 1 week, you should know this is what the audience want. Should you remain on what the audience want? Yes, you can remain there, but you can also mix with something else. See you in another video. Please, let's make money online without leaving home.